Hey guys, welcome back to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of the show. Have you all ever wondered if there was a secret code in learning how to speak English? Well, there are no secret codes, but there are some tips and best practices that I'd love to share with you. Are you ready? Great, let's watch. Hit it.
Question of the week. Profe Angela, what is the best way to start learning English as a non-English speaker? Thank you, Catalina, Barranquilla, Colombia. Great question, Catalina. Well, English is a fun and easy language to learn. However, with 750,000 words to spell and understand, learning English can seem impossible. But I'm here to tell you that it isn't, as long as you have the right strategy. Here are some best practices for beginning English language learners. Number 1, listen to English every day. Number 2, make an English ESL friend. And number 3, write down new words every day. For listening to English every day, you can listen to English music, listen to English news radio, or watch English TV. For making an English or ESL friend, you could make conversation, chat online, or practice dialogue. And for writing down new words, you could start a notebook listing all new words, make example sentences, or write words in ABC order. And now for some fun tips. Here are my top 3 best practices for beginning English language learners. Number 1, record and listen to yourself in English. Number 2, singing songs in English. And number 3, practicing tongue twisters. Record and listen to yourself. First, you're going to need to get used to talking to yourself, trying out new words and phrases alone. Then record yourself and listen. Singing songs in English. Look for songs in English that you like. Become familiar, then sing them aloud. Karaoke is great. It always allows you to read the lyrics while singing along. Singing is a great way to build your vocabulary and learn how to pronounce words. Practice tongue twisters. Try learning these funny one-sentence poems that rhyme. The similar sounding words make them a fun challenge for English learners.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Choose one of the 3 tips to practice. Record yourself, tape or video, and then post it in the comment box for everyone to see. Each post will win a prize. Now remember, you can record yourself 1, speaking in English, 2, singing your favorite karaoke song, or 3, saying a tongue twister. And if you need help, choose one of the tips in this video and practice.
Hey Catalina, thank you so so much for this week's amazing question. I really loved making the video, and I hope that all the tips and the best practices help you in your English language learning experience. And I'm really excited, you guys, about this week's challenge. Remember, everyone is a winner. I just want you all to have fun practicing, and I can't wait to hear all of your recordings and to see your amazing videos speaking in English. All right, guys, that's it for this week's episode of Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of your English language learning experience. Remember, if you're my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. Have a great night, and I'll see you next time.